It's a very special thing, and students learn a great deal from it because these buildings are so charged.
Certainly when they're performing in the cathedrals, it helps people to, I think, feel very, very deeply.
Beautiful windows, beautiful ceilings, everything. You just completely lose yourself in the whole setting.
You can't beat it. It's the high ceilings and the atmosphere in here just gives you this amazing feeling inside. It makes you really want to project.
Barry's music just does it for me. I get completely lost in it, completely carried away.
You feel the music inside you and it's absolutely incredible. It's overwhelming sometimes. It's really lovely.
A performance is about giving, not just kind of for yourself and kind of taking in. So you feel it and then you kind of put that out to everyone there.
Because they experience it, they can express it. And because they can express it, it's open to the witnesses, who are the audience. So the dancers, if they can have what's called numinous experience, profound, in some cases religious experience, then they can give it to the audience, who give it back, and then dancers are charged by that and they send it back to the audience. So you get a rising spiral.
Personally, I'm not religious, but I can see why people come to the churches and feel something here because it is amazing. And I do get a experience, and I think my numinous experience is through dance. So yeah, you definitely get a feeling.
And this numinous experience, it's amazing.
A very deep experience for both myself, the dancers, and hopefully the audience.
And somehow or other, in some mysterious way, it teaches the dancers to be expressive, just to dance in these buildings. And the people. And to the people which sat in the darkness, to them. And to the people which sat in the darkness, to them. There arose great, great, great light. And to them which sat in the region of the shadow, the region of the shadow. To them which sat in the region of the valley of the shadow, the valley of the shadow of death. To them that sat in the region of the valley of the shadow of death. Light sprang up, and he opened up his mouth and he talked and he said, blessed are the poor, blessed are the poor, blessed are the poor, blessed Make dancers who dance these tours dance better after them than they did before them. And that seems to make it worthwhile all in itself.